Looking for a space tailored to your unique needs and preferences? Look no further than Kings Chambers in Sheffield. Whether you crave the convenience of an ensuite or the affordability of a non-ensuite, Kings Chambers has got you covered. Each room boasts comfy beds and study areas, striking the perfect balance between relaxation and productivity. But that's not all. Made adieu to daily hassles with the weekly cleaning service and lift provision, ensuring maximum comfort. With an on-site manager, your needs are addressed promptly. The best part, however, is the inclusion of utility bills, saving you a big chunk of money. And when it's time to hit the books, Sheffield Hallam University and the University of Sheffield, Faculty of Engineering are just a pleasant stroll away, allowing you to pop home between lectures. Surrounded by Sheffield's vibrant cultural and social scenes, you'll be at the heart of the action. Plus, everyday essentials are within walking distance from Lidl to Heron Foods, ensuring you never run out of grocery supplies. On weekends, catch a bus at Sheffield Interchange or hop on a train at Sheffield Railway Station for getaways or visiting loved ones. Ready to seize the opportunity? Head straight to amberstudent.com to book your perfect stay at Kings Chambers today.